Okay. Tayo tayo. Ay. Video pala yan eh. You can move.
Oh yeah, move.
Alright, Presi. Look.
You know.
Sabi na Yoxi. Ang sabi ng derma.
Very glary.
I don't pay attention to it. Kinuna na lang scrape. Kinulture daw. You will hear it for us in 3 weeks.
Robert,
Also, wala pa.
Robert, yan noo mo nagre-reflect sa amin. Ay, naglere. Oo.
Nalagyan ng pamada.
Alright, here I am.
Has to stay there like
Dagdagan natin
maybe
ito.
5-10 minutes.
Bakit?
Hindi binigyan ka anesthesia tapos
No, before the anesthesia, you have to put something so that it will be not bigger. So there you go. There you go. There you
Pag sinabi mo wala ka diabetic, sasabayan mo ng ano, knock on wood.
Yes, correct. Correct. Ate Presi, isasama ko din.
When you get the new ones, huh?
Yeah, dito rin, no? Para
yellow
yellow.
yung
Nano.
yellow.
Nano.
When you get the other ones?
Thank
I
you.
don't know what happened. Bernie, it is that if someone has been venture, they have to drill like this. They have to do.
Kasi mo nga, Buwene, hindi ka makuha ng picture eh. Ito. Yan. Yan, ganda mo.
Ng yellow and pink.
Yeah, went to a nerve, right? You didn't put enough.
Pagkain natin ng
You didn't
bulak-bulak.
put enough anesthesia.
Si Mother. Happy birthday, Inay.
So I have appointment on the
But that
26th.
Mother. Mother. Pag
No more
nakikita
shopping.
ang matatanda,
I'm
yan ang
done.
pinag-uusapan.
I'm
Ate
done.
Lucy, ganyan talaga. Pag nakikita-kita,
Talagang
pinag-uusapan. gamot.
magaling ka pa rin mag-one presi.
Alright.
Daingan ng
Alam mo sa awan. Kailan ka huling nagpa-doktor?
For you. Wala akong high blood pressure, wala akong nagsawa na
Tutuwid ko, Ate Fred.
Okay. Kuya Robert, I got it. Buti si Ate Lucy.
Ano itanim na lang doon sa mismong sa gitna?
Hindi, meron akong pasulining may lupa.
Hindi itong ano, yung ano mo, yung paso.
Oo, itanim
Ilalim natin ano,
Oo. Alisin doon sa paso, at itanim na lang sa buong buo.
Matalas
Ito
pa
may
ang
lagi
ngipin ko.
Matataktan ba ng pangalan?
Hindi. Ano dito?
At malakas ang aking
no.
daliri ko.
There you go. I have to do it one by one. There you go. Yun lang mag-dig
Hindi naman na importante kanyang birthday.
Yeah. Yeah, pero empty naman. Yan.
Be careful kasi ano yan. Baka ikay ano, tawag dito?
May panggunting ka dyan, panggunting.
Aray, pang bunting.
Oo. Baka ikay sa lubsob. Kaya ako ginagamit are.
Kasi,
Yeah.
hindi ka nakukuha.
Nasaan yung pandikdek?
Naroon kayo, Wenny.
Alright. Ate Presi, you're done?
Yeah.
Nasaan yung bagong labas sa ospital
Sino?
na nagtae?
Oh, sino? Sino? Si Ate Lucy. Amoxicillin, nangyari yan sa akin. Na-hospital ako din. Oh my God, Ate Presi,
I know.
matalas pa ang ngipin ko din.
Lagyan mo dyan, no?